These therapies have been around there a couple of years, and one of the striking findings that all clinicians deal with is the resistance, the cross-resistance to both enzalutamide and abiraterone. And this is a major clinical dilemma, and we're sort of in between recognizing multiple different resistance pathways, but not necessarily being able to predict with any of the assays available, including ARV7, probably the most well-defined resistance pathway. So we're really left with making clinical judgments about when a patient might roll from one drug to the other, and that might depend on prior response, the clinical setting, whether the patient's symptomatic. So it's this kind of sort of clinical management paradigm that we're in until we can develop, in a sense, predictive biomarkers to really give us data-driven ways to make decisions. You know, we were disappointed earlier this year when the trial of galeterone, which was an agent that was hoped to be able to overcome ARV7 resistance, that trial was stopped prematurely. There are other next-generation compounds in development. The ARV7 assay is moving its way towards commercialization. I think this is an area that has an active sort of research ongoing. This year we're a little distracted because of the mutational directed therapeutics that have really become very exciting. But again, fundamentally, this is an AR-driven disease, so this is going to be an area of great importance for us to develop new compounds, understand how to overcome resistance. So a lot of work going on, really not too close to having those answers, but at least the work is progressing.